Power Rose, Will G's, and one back with another Firework stash. Firework stash number 20. I want to say first off, thank you to my subscribers. Thank you to my new subscribers. I see the haters hating on my firework stash. You know, certain Power Rose sent shots out at me yesterday. 319 Power Rose, but it's all good. I thought we were better than that. You know what I mean? But you know what? I ain't gonna even respond to them lames. You know what I mean? I ain't did nothing to nobody. I don't bother nobody. You know, they sent their little shout out talking about on the Power Rose post the prices of they stash for likes and views. Well, first of all, 319, YouTube is a video viewing service. You feel me? That's what it's for. Posting videos to get people to watch your content. You know what I mean? So y'all can go on with that hate, bro. You know, I ain't sending no shots out or no shots out, but you got people like Big T Pyro, Joel Robinson or whatever his name is. They post firework stashes with amounts on them. But as soon as Will Jeezy do it, you know it's a problem. You know, F y'all, man. You know what I mean? But yeah, firework stash number 20. My firework tent's been opening up, so I had to stop doing little pickups, you know. Support the mom and pop shops. The prices was high on a lot of this stuff. Inventory was low. So a lot of them said, yeah, the shortage of fireworks is real, bro. You know what I mean? But I'm still gonna support them. So I went and picked up some stuff. Kind of expensive on this stuff, but hey, it don't matter, man. I picked up, while I think I went to like 4 fireworks stores, including tents, and they had a lot of products, man, that hit us in Louisiana, which is new and rare because we don't get a lot of stuff out here in Louisiana. We usually get brands like Winder, Brothers Pyrotechnics, Bright Star, and White Hot, and Mega Banger. But they had some Booming Bulldog, a lot of T-Sky done hit the South this year, so I'm excited about that. MC Fireworks. So, but I ain't pick up none of that Booming Bulldog because, you know, them prices are just kind of ridiculous, man. But I picked up Super Power, 8-shot, 500-gram cake, very big cake, heavy. I picked up some Diablo canister shells. See that price? I usually won't pay that amount for no canister shells, especially 12, when I can get pretty much a whole 24 pack for that price. But I just wanted to get something new this year. I've been in a good mood this year, so it is what it is. I picked up another 500-gram cake. They told me it was new. I looked it up in the store. Didn't see no videos on YouTube of it, so I went on, picked it up. I like the artwork. I like green. Green represent money. Peace on Earth by T-Sky. Some nice size tubes and 22 shots. Don't see a performance. Oh, there you go. That's the performance. Picked up this fountain. It looked cool. Got a tri-wheel on it. So I went on and picked it up. 5-wheel fountain. Performance. wait to light this. Oh yeah, Pyro Diablo hit us in the South this year. I think they only had one 500-gram cake from this brand, but majority of the cakes I've been seeing was 200-gram cakes. The people I got this from lit this out in the parking lot for me, so I had to pick it up. I only picked up one, like I said, something to try out and to put on my channel. I picked up this Neon Goblin 9-shot Jumbo Mighty Cobra by Pyro Predator. Picked up some pumps. I don't remember throw these in the trash. Picked up some ladybugs. No name. So I went on and picked these up. I like the little stuff too. Picked up the Sirens of the Sea by Golden Bear. I think this 9 shots. Picked up this little escort drone. It looked cool, so I went on and picked it up. Couldn't find no videos on YouTube of this plastic version. They got the paper version on YouTube, but not this new one. I picked that up. Oh yeah, MC Fireworks hit us too, cause I ended up picking this Super Missiles, Saturn Missile 300 shot. Picked that up. Picked up these little crackling crawfishes by Hales. I like these little crackling things. They last a long time. Picked up a Killer Clown by White Hot. Didn't see a demo of this on YouTube yet. Not by this brand. So anything with a clown on it, I like it. So it might hit. Picked up some fuse. Now, if one thing was cheap out here in Louisiana was the fuse. $4 a pack for the 10 feet. So I picked up 4 packs of them just to have it, because I don't even need no fuse. But I picked up 4 packs of them. Picked up some Zenith fuse. $4 a pack. Picked up 4 packs of that. So got some 8 packs of fuse to add to the stash. Addicted to Quack by Mega Banger. 12 shots. Picked up some Roman candles by Jaguar Fireworks. Never heard of that brand. Called Thunder King. So I picked them up because of the name and because I never heard of that brand before. And I know they not Thunder Kings, but hey, who knows? I picked up some candles by T-Sky. Oh yeah, that's another company that's down here that we usually didn't have. I think one of the places I went to said they were just trying to buy everything, man, from all across the country, because they weren't getting their stuff in time. So, hey, I ain't mad at you. Go and get some of them new products out here. Flash and Thunder 8-ball counters. Picked up some of these 2019. What that is? Pound Rockets. Wanted to try them. Never had them. I picked up some double ring rockets by mega banger. And last up, I picked up an assortment. Out of all the places I've been to, this probably was the best assortment I done seen that I liked it. I mean, it's rough out here in Louisiana, man. Ain't too much stuff popping out here at the Firework store, man. But this one by Golden Bear. I never seen these before, so that's why I picked these up. 1.75 artillery shed preloads. I never seen them, so I ended up picking this up. But yeah, man, Firework stash number 20, nothing major. I'm out.